In the root we have created a .env folder here. Sorry, we have created a .env file in the root folder. Here it is. So let's copy this line and paste it here. So here we need to enter the Goerli URL, Goerli API key and private key that will be provided by the MetaMask, and these two will provide by Alchemy. So let's see. Notice that I haven't spelled any of my own secrets yet. Safety first. It's totally fine for you to put in that file though, as long as you have a .ignore that ensure you don't accidentally push the file to a version control. Make sure that your env is listed in your .get ignore file. So here it is. Here we have .env file. It makes sure that whenever we're going to commit this repository, it will not going to add .env file which have secret keys of Alchemy and our MetaMask account. So always remember that don't share these keys with anyone. Okay. Also, in order to get what you need to environment variable, you can use the following resources: Goerli URL, sign up for an account; Alchemy, create an Ethereum Goerli app as a URL, then a key, and then a private key. So now with .env installed and your UNV file populated, almost ready to deploy your validation. So let's fetch this key and then deployed it on test network. Let's see how it will work.